Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. Hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. It is Monday. We made it, guys. It is moving along. Today we got a special unboxing. Check them out on Amazon. Link will be down below. Coming from good old Hoover. The WindTunnel XL Pet. Powered for pet hair. So that's a good thing. Because in case you dog owners, animal owners. Because I just got a dog. And now, this should be an easy one to put together. No loss for suction. That means you don't have to worry about the hair getting entwined with the spool, whatever it's called, I think. Anyway, here's that. Got a lot of accessories that come with it. 10 feet cleaning reach, performance check indicator, rinsable filter. Oh, that's good. Extra large dirt cup, exhaust filter. There they are. There's a wind tunnel technology, hard floor scatter guard, multi-cyclonic filtration. Ooh, that should be a snazzy one, guys. So, here's the good stuff too. That's what it looks like. Hopefully it'll look like that once I put it together. Look at the globe for a second. Wow, cut this open. But it should be a good one though, guys. Since we're majority of the time home now, you might want to buy one of these. Be a nice little Christmas gift to give somebody. Cheer them up a little bit. Oh boy. We got the manual. It's thick. Bam. Alright. We got the nozzle, the hose attachment. It's like the, you know what I mean. And then we got this thing right here. A little brushy brush. Oh yeah. Oops. Empty that one. Empty that one. Here's a handle. Bam. It looks like one of those blasters. Like Star Wars, Star Trek type deal. Harpoon. Alright. Put that there for right now. Oh, Jesus. Pull that one out quick. Whoa. Now here's the wind tunnel. Look at this thing. Kind of reminds me of the bank teller things, the chutes, where you get your money from. Kind of has that clamp lock type. Here's a Hoover. Good old Hoover. They're still around. Alright. I mean, those iRobots are kind of cool and stuff, the vacuum robots, but the old-fashioned. Oh man, everything's falling out. Oh Jesus. Oh boy. Well, that's somewhat put together, so that's easy peasy one. We got another our little solid jet black. Here's that thingy. So I mean, pretty much all it's put together. You just gotta pop that back on, pop the handle in, and plug it in. Long cord right there. So, look outside. There's a hose for the carpet or the furniture. Hose. There's a switch. That's a nice looking hose right there. Alright. Alright. Up top views. Sky cam is going good. Okay, be right back. Alright guys, look at this. Easy to set up. Got those things right there. Hooked on to that part. Looking good. Just a little screwdriver action you need to do. And that's really simple. It's to detach the handle right in the middle where the stopper is. empty the air filter, you can press and release that. But she's ready. Another good thing, got the protectors on the power, so we shall see. Hopefully this is a silent one, because my dog hates vacuum cleaners. He hates the loud ones, so hopefully this will be a silent but effective vacuum. She is plugged in. Okay, I'm gonna have to get up. Time to get up on our feet. Here we go. And to push it down. Oops. There's a little kickstand right here. See? Boom. And power it on. Oh, switch. All the way down. Go. So you got a little bit. Here's a little. Really cool though. Check them out. Hoover. Link down below. Be safe. Have a good night. See ya.